In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo send in Gmail. This feature is incredibly useful, but it works on a short timer, so knowing exactly what to look for and when to click is key. Think of undo send as a brief grace period right after you hit send. It doesn't pull an email back from someone's inbox. Instead, it delays sending for a few seconds based on your settings. While that countdown is running, you get one chance to stop the message. Start by opening Gmail and composing your email as you normally would. Add your recipients, write your subject and message, and then click Send. Right after you send, look to the bottom left of your screen. You'll see a small notification bar pop up that says something like Message Sent. And next to it, there will be an Undo option. That bar is the entire window for canceling your email. It appears immediately after you send and then fades away after a short time. The exact duration depends on your Gmail settings, but it's always brief, so don't wait. If you notice a typo, chose the wrong recipient, or you simply change your mind, click Undo right away. The moment you click it, Gmail cancels the send and brings your email back as a draft. You'll see your message reopened, just as you left it, so you can fix mistakes, add attachments, or decide not to send it at all. If you're satisfied after making changes, you can send it again when you're ready. It's important to understand that once that notification bar disappears, the email is gone. There is no second chance and no recall button in Gmail after the undo window closes. At that point, the message has already been handed off to the recipient's email server, and Gmail can't retrieve it. A couple of helpful notes for clarity. The timing of that undo window is controlled by your settings, so if it feels too short, you can adjust it to be longer within Gmail. Also, on the Gmail mobile app, the experience is similar. After you tap send, a small strip appears at the bottom with undo. The same rule applies. You must tap it before it disappears. That's really all there is to it. Send the email, watch the bottom left for the undo option, and click it quickly if you need to stop the send. Keep an eye on that notification every time you hit send, and you'll be ready to catch mistakes before they leave your outbox.